Now, how do you check if your level is level when you're in the store? Now, there's plenty of videos out there telling you how to check if your level is level if you're already owning a level, which involves holding your level up against the wall, wait until your bubble is dead center, you draw a line down it, spin it around, and repeat the process. And afterwards, you remove your level and see if your two lines are parallel. If they are, you know your level is pretty accurate. But how do you do that when you're in the store? You can't start drawing lines all over the wall. So stay tuned, I'll show you how we do it. So all you want to do is you want to grab your level and stick it along an edge. So for this example, I'm going to stick it on the edge of the countertop. But if you're in the store, you can stick it on the edge of the pallet racking. Anything really, and it doesn't have to even be level. But a good practice is to put it right along the edge like that, so you can be sure that when you turn the level around, you're putting it back in exactly the same position. Right, as you can see, the bubble is just on the inside, touching the right hand line there. Now when we spin it around, that bubble wants to be in exactly the same place. So we know that bubble is accurate, and it should be, because quite frankly, you know, it cost me 60 quid. So it's not a cheap level by any means. Now, if your bubble was out and it wasn't accurate, that'd have a different reading every time you turn around the level. So let's say now it's touching just on that inside line, we spin the level around and now it's over this way a bit more or a little bit more that way. That would suggest that your level is not accurate. But why would you need to check the accuracy of a brand new level in a store? Surely they're all going to be accurate, right? Wrong. I can tell you now, having been to places like B&Q and Wickes, I've gone through racks and racks of different levels, checking them all out, and they've all been way out. I went to Screwfix to buy my first set of levels a few years back, and it was terrible. The guy was getting so fed up with me because I was going through pack after pack after pack, and I said, they're all bloody out. But that's what you get when you buy cheaper levels. When you buy a more expensive level like this, you could be pretty confident it's going to be level. But let's face it, if your level isn't accurate, then there's nothing more than a glorified straight edge. So make sure you've got an accurate level before you even purchase it. If you found this video at all helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you give us a like, maybe even a subscribe. It'd go a long way. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.